Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Dollar Tree haul. So I did buy all of these products, I believe like a month or two ago, so I honestly don't remember what I have in here. I'm just going to go ahead and pull something from the bag and we're going to talk about it. So we do have the LA Colors brow products. So I know for sure, picked up a lot of new LA Colors makeup from the Dollar Tree because they just added a bunch of things. I know they just repackaged a bunch of their old products, but honestly I think it was like long overdue. The products they just looked a little too old-fashioned. I think they were very smart in repackaging everything, especially just kind of reformulating the old. And I think this is one of their new reformulated products. So this is the LA Colors brow product. So this is a brow pencil in dark brown. I think this color will match me very well. The video after this one will be me throwing all of these products on my face and talking about them with you guys, and you guys will be seeing everything live. So of course, subscribe, make sure that you turn on the bell notification so you know when that video goes live. But yeah, that's the first product. Let's see what else I purchased. It's a big bag. Oh yes, so I did purchase a bunch of different nails, like press-on nails. At the moment, I am letting my nails breathe. These are from B Color. These are their stiletto nails. They look so beautiful and they have little pink hearts on them. I just thought this would be perfect for the February month, just because, you know, it's all about love and pink and hearts and everything. So I thought this was so cute, and it's like the perfect length for work. So it's not gonna be too long and, you know, in the way. Next product is another pair of nails. So I actually did wear these already. So these are a couple of nails from Fashion Nails, and it says sevenail. I think that's the brand there. And basically it's just little blue nails with cherries on them. So I know there's 2 boxes. So I did go ahead and throw these on. I'll have a picture on the screen of how they looked on my nails. They were actually really cute, a little too short for me. I kind of like removed them really quickly, but I thought they were cute, a really cute design. And yeah, I feel like you can never have enough press-on nails. So I went ahead and purchased these also from Beep Color, and these are the stiletto false nails. And these have like a cute little, what kind of design is that? Like the yin yang sign on them. And I just thought it was so cute. I like to purchase the sevenail, even though these are more like filler nails, just like whenever I'm like in the middle of purchasing nails that I actually want. And then these, actually, I've never really tried. So yeah, they both look so stunning. I also did purchase these LA Colors Nail Chic. These are their oval artificial nail tips, and these just look so nice as well. Like the black design on them, like a black tip. And they are oval nails, which I thought was very nice. And I think I only found one of these nails. So next, I purchased the LA Colors Juicy Smoothies Scented Lip Balm. So this is definitely something that I kind of debated, because if you guys have been on my channel, you guys know I have a lot of lip balms in my collection. So I don't really need another lip balm, but I went ahead and purchased it anyway. And this one is their Scented Lip Balm. It looks very interesting. It does come in a tin kind of packaging, so we'll have to see how that works. I'm intrigued to see how it smells. So again, I purchased a lot of new LA Colors reformulated products. Well, I don't know, it just says new and improved. So this is their blush, and this one here is in the shade Toast. So I think I already have this one in my collection, but I am going to go ahead and toss my old one because I've had it for many years, and just keep this one. We also did pick up the Be Pure Hydrating Shimmer Serum, and it says it has jojoba oil in it. So looks like that. It is like a yellow kind of color, which is interesting. This one's also another product that I was a little hesitant to pick up. I was kind of scared it would spill everywhere, but no, it looks interesting. So we'll see how that works on the face. So I went ahead and picked up a bunch of Olay soaps, or soaps for the restroom. So I purchased I believe like 4 of these, and they smell really good. Yeah, I think Dollar Tree doesn't really carry Dove, and that's like what I usually use, but I thought these were okay as well. So I went ahead and picked up a total of 4 Olay hand soaps. Next, I have 2 of the new LA Colors eyeshadow palettes. These are so cute. The first one here is an almost nude, and is a more pinky one. And then we have this one, which is the Lucky eyeshadow palette. I think these are so adorable. This Lucky one actually goes very well with my top. and I definitely can't wait to try those out. All of these products I can't wait to try out. The LA Colors Shimmer Bronzer, also another product that I already own. It's actually back there somewhere. And again, I'm just planning on getting rid of my old products and just replacing them with these new ones, just because I've had those for a long time. And I'm not going to hit pan on any of those products soon. So yeah, so I went ahead and purchased another bronzer. We have a hydrating lipstick from LA Colors as well. And this one here is in the shade Sorbet. So definitely can't wait to try this out. It definitely looks like a metallic kind of lipstick. So again, I'm not swatching anything because we are going to use everything in the next upload. I saw that they had a couple of new glosses. These are some that I hadn't seen at all. I haven't seen this packaging, and these are their moisturizing lip gloss. And this one here is in Fruit Punch, and it is a pinky one. But I know I purchased another one. At least I think I did, yes. So I do have another one, and this one here is in the shade Coral Crush. So I'll just give you guys a comparison. There, one of them is definitely more pink and one is more coral. So again, just to get rid of my old glosses from the Dollar Tree and just replace them with those. I know I purchased a couple of these small little Be Pure products. So we have some liquid shadows, we have a lip gloss, and more of those, and then one more. Yeah, I bought 2 lip glosses and 2 eyeshadow liquid shadows. So that's the 2 liquid shadows that I purchased. We have a more gray silver one and then a gold one, and I don't think these have like actual names on them, but these little packaging are so cute. And then we have the 2 glosses. One is definitely more light pink and the other one is more of a dark pink kind of vibe. I did purchase some M&M's minis. I don't think chocolate goes bad, but I've literally had these for a long time. It says best before January 2023. Is that a 1 or a 4? I hope they're still good, but I love these little M&M minis. And then I purchased another one of the LA Colors liquid makeup foundations. This one here is in natural, and again, I hope they reformulate it because the last time that I purchased this, it wasn't that great on the skin. So I want to see how this one works. I also have some new complexion products from Be Pure. And this one is their Essential Ageless Hydrating Serum Concealer. So we have the Essentially Ageless Hydrating Serum Foundation and the concealer. So that's going to be super exciting. And we have their pressed powder as well. So we have the Essentially Ageless Blurring Face Powder. So these are all the products that Be Pure came out with, and I'm so excited to throw these on my face and show you guys how they work. All right, so we're getting down to the last couple products. I purchased 2 nail polishes. No, not that I need any more, but I did declutter a couple last year. So this is the brand Color Vibe. And I've honestly never purchased anything from their brand, but I noticed that Dollar Tree carried a bunch of other colors from this brand, so I thought, why not? So I went ahead and purchased the Rapid Dry Top Coat and also the nail polish with hardeners, and this one is in the shade Sneak Peek, and it's just like a nude kind of color. And then again, just the clear one. I purchased this headband because it just looks so cute. Well, it's not a headband, it's a little like scrunchie, and it has like the cheetah print on it. It's just so adorable. So I saw this and I thought, why not? So let me throw it in my cart. This is just their scrunchie from the Dollar Tree. It looks so cute. And then we have the Chapstick Total Hydration Lip Balm. So it says it has sunscreen in it, and it has SPF 15 in it. So I've never really tried this lip balm, and you guys know I love lip balms. So I thought, why not? And Chapstick brand is actually a good brand for me. So yeah, I went ahead and picked that up. And it says this one is in Very Berry. And again, I thought it was good because it has SPF in it, that it would be better for my lips. And then for some reason I picked this up. I think this was also one of the newer products to my Dollar Tree, and this is the Lip Smacker Candy Apple Scented Lip Balm. So that's it. That's all the stuff that I purchased from my local Dollar Tree. Let me know your thoughts down below. Did you pick up any of these products? I'm so glad that I found my chocolate because I'm gonna eat it right now. But everything else we're gonna try out in a video in the next upload. So again, make sure you're subscribed and turn on the bell notification so you're notified when that video goes live. But that's it, and we made it to the end. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.